I've been watching Jerry rig everything for a while, and I really was interested in the DBrand Teardown case that he always shows off. So after a little bit of hesitation because of how expensive the case is, I decided to purchase it just to see how it is, knowing that I could return it if I wanted to. The packaging is very cool. It has a bunch of fine print. I took a little bit of time reading it, but ended up not because it was a lot of fine print. I think it was just a bunch of funny stuff. That's kind of how DBrand is. There wasn't really a terrible way to do it. Usually with these types of packages you can easily just rip it. I did eventually do it, but no. When you take it out, there is a microfiber cloth and a plastic bag, and there's also a little QR code thing to share it on social media for some reason. And then the case itself in a very fancy box. It has DBrand logo on it, and when you get it, it says Pixel 8 on the side for what phone you have, obviously, just to make sure you have the right one. And then you just open it up with like magnets holding it, and it says a bunch of stuff on it, and opening it like a book. In the middle there is the actual DBrand grip case itself without the skin on it, and on the right there is a little pouch with the skin that you had to put on yourself, which is unfortunate. That's one of the reasons why I was hesitating buying this. Taking it out, it's on just like a 3M piece of paper. It's just like a sticker, but it's a really nice sticker. The case itself is very nice. It's lined with microfiber to keep your phone nice and safe, and it's very thick and durable, and I do think that it'll keep my phone safe. There is a link or a website listed on the packaging that says where to go to how to install it. I followed those steps. It took me about like 10 minutes to get all the stickers on. There's 2 that go on the actual case. Actually putting it into the your phone into the case, it's hard. You have to do it a specific way, I think because of the buttons. But after cleaning off with the microfiber cloth, I installed it onto the case, and then I was able to eventually get the stickers on. The top one, which is really thin, took a decent amount of time to line up, but eventually I got it, and I'm pretty satisfied. It's not perfect, but if you're not looking at it, it looks fine. And then there's another one, I think specific to the Pixel 8 and maybe some Samsung phones, not sure. Over the camera notch, you get to put it on the physical phone, which is fine. It'll keep it from scratching and stuff, and that's pretty good. I also made sure to get rid of all the air bubbles that are trapped in between the sticker. Make sure you do that when installing this. Here's the finished result. I think it turned out great, and I'm really happy with it. It is nice to hold. I would recommend it, but you just have to keep in mind that you had to install the skin. You can just buy the case itself, so if you don't want the skin or don't want to have to go through the pain of installing the sticker on there, you can do that. And there's also a way you can buy the sticker just for your phone, so no case if you don't like having a case. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you found this helpful. Let me know what you think of this case in the comments. Thanks a ton for watching. See you in the next video. Peace out.